Hey, you're Simran Anand.
Yes.
You have over 38,000 followers on LinkedIn. What's the biggest mistake you see people making while using and learning AI?
Sure. So I would say that one of the major mistakes that beginners in AI will make are they directly jump into advanced concepts like large language models. The moment you talk about AI, ML, and they get reminded about large language models, APIs, etc. While that is definitely important in generative AI domain, I would advise them to not just collect certificates or go with the hype. Do not ignore the fundamentals. One thing they have to definitely master is system design. When it comes to not just software engineering but also in Gen AI or in machine learning, system design and the way you think is very important. Recruiters will not look at how many certificates that you are collecting, but how many hands-on projects are these tech enthusiasts actually building. So work on building end-to-end projects. So when I say end-to-end projects, projects that are outside of the local development, try deploying those projects into production. And whenever you're deciding on which machine learning algorithm to choose, understand the business problem, because any algorithm that is going to give you outcomes to the business or is correct with respect to the trade-offs is the one which you're going to productize. So that is something which I would advise. Apart from definitely mastering the fundamentals and working on projects, do not ignore data science with the misconception that generative AI is coming in and RAG, we have fine-tuning, large language models. Is data science actually relevant in today's industry? So my answer to this is data science is not going anywhere. One should definitely master data science, especially understand the statistical analysis of data sets and the intuition behind every algorithm. For example, let's take the example of large language models. So how do transformers work, or what is the difference between the various types of embeddings? Do understand the natural language processing techniques as well, which are also a major part of classical machine learning. So that's my advice.
Oh, that was really great, very insightful.
Yeah,
Thank you.
thank you.